Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony and this is TC's Outdoors and Mrs. TC's Outdoors. And guess what? We made the trip. We are in Maryland at Brad's and look at all these people. We got some pretty cool equipment to run today. A bunch of different saws, a bunch of different splitters, and we're gonna get after it. I'm looking forward to running one of the box wedges and definitely want to get my hands on the Eastonmade axis. Give that a try. So we're gonna get started. It's gonna be crazy loud here, guys. There's like 500 eyes gonna be running at once among other saws. So not sure what you're gonna hear. It's just gonna be what you're gonna see. So here we go. Guys, that's the 2228. Alright. Yeah, that's an awesome machine. Woo! this is TC's thing?
Not yet.
Not yet. That's a bummer. That thing is amazing. What the dust fly. Land glitter is in the air, people. All right, I'm gonna run Shive's 1222. Here we go. Can you hold the camera?
Fancy. Caught on camera now. Caught on camera.
Shive's got skills, everybody. Shive's got skills. Everybody, check it out. Best day ever, everyone. Best day ever. in New York. I didn't really film anything on the way out. I got caught up in the moment, realized the time, and we had to get out of there. So Friday night, my daughter had her 6th grade formal, so we had to leave Brad's at about 11:30 to make it home in time to see her off after she had gotten her hair and makeup done and had gotten dressed to go. So I didn't want to miss that for sure. So we got out of Brad's a little early, but I need to thank everybody that had a hand in making Brad's Firewood Frenzy a success. It was an amazing event. So I couldn't be happier. My wife had a great time also. I gotta thank her too, because if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have gone. To be honest with you, I'm not spontaneous. This was way outside my comfort zone, to say the least, but I'm glad she pushed me into it. I got to meet a lot of great people. It was kind of overwhelming. There's a lot of names I'm gonna forget. So, I mean, I'll meet you guys again, though. You know, any other show, Paul Bunyan or anything, I look forward to it. But holy smokes, dude, it was it was overwhelming to me. Being able to run all those machines, I didn't get a chance to run a 500i. There was so much wood being bucked up and just piles of it everywhere, and we had to get out of there early. So it was, I guess next time, no worries, but it was still awesome. The symphony of 500i's running in the background in the beginning of the video. Everybody's starting them up. It was like NASCAR, gentlemen, start your engines. There was 500i's popping off everywhere. It was awesome. So pretty cool. I definitely, I love the Axis. I got to run all the splitters except for the 916. Not that I couldn't have. Every time I went over there, somebody else was running it, and everybody was having a great time, making firewood. So I didn't get the opportunity to run that, but that's all right. I did get to watch it run for a little bit, and it's a beast of a machine just like the rest of them. I don't think Eastonmade makes a light duty machine. It is unbelievable how overbuilt those things are. They are built to last. Until you see one in person, you'll not appreciate, you can't really, on the internet or even in the videos, you don't really get a feeling for how thick the beams are and just how well built they are. So amazing equipment, no doubt about it. The 1222 with the box wedge, that's a firewood making machine. It's cool. It makes all the nice size splits. I don't I don't think I could keep up with it. With either that or the 2228. That was a beast also. That one I ran had an 8-way. But both those machines, you need a conveyor, or I think that's probably the best bet. If you had a conveyor to get it away from you, get it off into a dump trailer, and then you could keep rolling. But it builds up so fast. Those machines make so much firewood so fast. It's an impressive thing to see. If you had 2 or 3 guys, 2 guys running the splitter, loading rounds, and then one guy stacking right off the end, you could keep up probably. But with one guy, like, generally me in the wood yard, it's just a one-man band out there, So the Axis was the ticket for me. I thank York Firewood for bringing his Axis. Having the opportunity to run that definitely has given me a goal to set. I think that would be the direction I go if I make the plunge into the commercial splitter market. It's going to be an Eastonmade Axis. Being able to control the splits, turn around. If you want splits this big, go for it. If you want smaller pieces like that, either way, it's super easy. It's fast. You can set the wedge height so you're not running the cylinder all the way back up and down. So cycle time is really quick on it, and you can work your way around some of the knots and some of the punkier stuff. And I could throw that off to the side. That could go for my own use in the boiler, and everything else I can try to make bundles out of. So, and that's pretty much, kind of my business model is I want to sell bundles. Right now I don't, dabble too much into the bulk firewood. So I think the Axis would be a good fit for me. But it'll be a while if you saw Mrs. TC's Outdoors. Not yet. So, but we'll see. I'll keep working on it. So either way, what an experience. Thanks to everybody that had anything to do with getting it put together. Brad and his family, Shibe, everybody that had, brought the splitters, the guy with the 2228. I can't remember your name, bud. Throw it in the comments if you watch this video. I appreciate it. All the help, showing me the controls and just, stacking as I split. I really appreciate you bringing your machine. The gentleman with the 916, I didn't get a chance to talk to you, but I appreciate you as well. I mean, just having everybody come together like that, just like kind of pop up, it says something about this community for sure. So either way, huge thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, guys, take it easy. We'll see you.